Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to create a group policy to disable USB port for all users except local administrator. So first we need to create a new group policy object. Name it as a block USB devices. Click on OK. Then you need to edit this group policy. Now go to user configuration. Click on administrative template. Click on system, then click removable storage access. So in here just enable all removable storage classes, deny access all. Click on enable, apply and OK. So this will automatically block all the USB devices that connected to the user's PC. Now if the user try to log in with their local administrator account, this policy will still block their USB devices. So in order to give the local administrator access to use the USB, what we can do is first we need to create a group in here. From your Active Directory users and computers, let's say I'm creating a new group. Sorry. So in the new group, let's say I name it all user. Click on OK, and the member is, let's say all my users, they are using it. Just add them. Click on OK. Just apply and OK. So now go back to your policy in here. In here, in security filtering, remove that authenticated user. Remove it in here. Now add the group that you created, all user. So what it will do, it will give the access for the local administrator to access the USB, and this user can able to access it. So, and also if in the domain PC, it will still block. So that's it for today. Thank you.